Hi, you watching your favorite YouTube channel, Learning Digital. Here we learn digital world things, so subscribe this channel for more digital world videos.
Welcome back. In the previous task, we have seen how to manage orders. In this task, we'll see how to manage customers. Click on the customers, and here you will see a screen with all of your different customer information. Let's add a customer manually. We'll have Mrs. Jane Doe again, and we'll have Jane Doe at doemail.com. Clearly, we're using example training details and random numbers that we're not going to use. If we have collected agreement from the customers to receive marketing emails, being respectful of their privacy, we can mark them as customer agreed, otherwise not. Then we'll have an address for Jane Doe that we know is living at the Golden Gate Bridge. So we'll just add this as an address in the city of San Francisco. Country being the United States. And we'll have the state of California and a valid zip code. We'll add our phone number here and save it. Now that we have saved our first customer, Mrs. Jane Doe will be displayed in our customers list. Under orders, when you create a draft and you add a manual order, so create an order, this time around you'll be able to add it for the customer right away because you do have now the customer added to your database. So let's say that you have an order for a one red t-shirt, create one, add to order, and find your customer. Either create a new one, search for the customer, or select from the suggested clients. And in all ways, we have found and retrieved the customer and we'll be able to create an order. Pause the video, complete this order creation, marking as paid and fulfill the order for this customer, and then resume the video when you're done. Well done, let's review this together. We mark it as paid and we'll save the order. Now we have created it, and after it will be fulfilled, we will mark it as fulfilled and create a shipping label if we need. Fulfill the items, and on the top right hand corner, as you can see, you have actions to create or print a shipping label or add a tracking code. And now back in our orders, we will see a new order that has been fulfilled for our customer, Jane Doe. And when we look at customers, you will see the Jane Doe client with the latest order, which is the one we have just debated now, the one we just fulfilled. You will have a history of everything that has been happening with the client since the moment of creation and ability to modify information. Well done. Let's add one final touch. We have created in one of our previous tasks, in task 5, gift cards. When we created gift cards then, we didn't have any customer in our database. Let's send a gift card now. We'll go to products, go to gift cards, and then create a new gift card, issuing the gift card, and we can select a customer to send this to. You can search for a customer and we will have our Mrs. Jane Doe. We'll set an expiration date a year from now. And here we have a new gift card code. The initial value will be $10, or we can modify it the way we need. We don't have different denominations as this time is not the customer selecting the gift card, but we are issuing a coupon at our choice. And then click Save. The gift card will be successfully issued and will be sent to this email address. Make sure that you're using email addresses that you own, or that you're creating non-existent email addresses to test because there will be a gift card that will be sent to the client. Well done. Now back to the customers, you will see that you have a Jane Doe client here with all the information around the orders and spent, and a customer overview and the different settings for this particular customer. As we are respectful of privacy, we also have either a request for customer data so that Shopify can help you fulfill, and a request for customer data on privacy regulations and customer rights, or you can erase personal data at customer request. This will be a relationship between you as a merchant and Shopify. So as you're hosting your store on Shopify, you have the right to protect your users and request or erase data to preserve your relationship with the users and their rights with the support of Shopify. Well done, we have completed the creation of the entire online store. In the next and final task, we'll look at the reporting and we'll wrap it up. See you there.